If you are trying to get a vehicle or a much higher limit credit card ranging from $30,000 to $100,000, but you keep getting denied from not having enough credit history or age on your credit report, you can report Primary Tradelines as a hack to build your credit score. There's a website called Vital Tradelines, one of the legitimate companies out there which reassigns primary trade lines such as auto accounts, revolving credit cards, rental agreements that have high credit limits, which reports to TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. All of the primary trade lines are open accounts with low utilization, which will help boost your credit score and get you approvals for what you want to apply for guaranteed. There are no credit checks. You will have any one of these primary trade lines posted to the credit bureaus on the specific reporting date on the table shown. These primary trade lines fall off on your credit report after 6 years. And for proof, here is an example of a vehicle purchase agreement of a customer who purchased an auto primary trade line and got approved and finalized paperwork, which is the motor vehicle order agreement for a Tesla Model X for $100,690. I will leave a link to the website on the description for those who want to improve and fix their credit report. They are CPN friendly and can help you boost your credit score.